So I'm first going to use Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundations in the shade 115 and 128. The Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm gonna like prime my eyes with the concealer. And I'm gonna set my foundation with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless loose powder in the shade Fair, using my Morphe JH07. And with the JH01, I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And for bronzer, I'm going to use this old Milani bronzer in the shade Medium Tan. The e.l.f. Twinkle Pink Luxie Precision Foundation Brush. Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Morphe JH09. Brow Boss in the shade Dark Brown. I go in with the ColourPop Brow Gel. And the eyeshadow palette I'll be using is the Catrice Eman, and it is called Bronze AF. the Essence Eye Blender brush, going with the shade Fair Fox. Just gonna apply this to my crease. JH31, shade Sunset. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma E25 Runyon. Is that how you say that? Runyon? Just gonna put this on the outer V area. And these colors are very nice, very blendable. For a palette that's only $11.99, I'm really loving it. Really loving it. I'm then going to take the shade Laguna with my finger and put that in the inner eyelid. Eyeshadow is very glittery, it's very pretty, it's so fall. It does have fallout, it is like on my lower cheeks, but JH31 Sunset underneath my eye. The E25 by Sigma Runyon. I'm gonna go under my eye in the outer V. highlight in the shade Molten Gold and JH42. Pop that highlight in the center. Taking the JH42 Ferret Fox and put that under my brow bone. It's a Rimmel London nude eyeliner, my bottom waterline. I'm then going to take NYX On the Rise mascara. Lips with the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Keep It Spicy. And with the Revlon Nude in the shade Matte Nude Attitude. e.l.f. Peach Bellini Lip Plumping Gloss. Only putting this in the center of my lips. I'm going to pop some highlight on Cupid's bow. So this is my fall everyday makeup routine using very affordable products. It's a shimmery fall warm tone glittery eye with a nude lip. And this is my favorite drugstore combo for a nude lip that gives you an extra plush in your lips.